How to log into Klondike Adventure using your mobile device or your tablets. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to easily log into Klondike Adventure game and save your progress across devices. First of all, launch open the Klondike Adventure application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the gear icon on the right corner. Now, click on account from the top of the screen and look for the sign in option. In my case, there is sign in with Google option available. Just tap on that and then go ahead and select your Google account, or you can also add a new Google account you want to log in with. Now, go ahead and enter your email address for your Google account, or you can also enter your phone number. Once you are done, click next. On the next page, you'll need to type in your Google account's password, and once you are done with it, you have successfully logged into Klondike Adventure right away. Once you're logged in, you'll see your city or your farm in Klondike Adventure. You can explore the map, complete your first task, check your daily rewards, and the adventure begins. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.